Hello and welcome to my AP Biology project. Today I'll be discussing a topic about GHB. GHB, or gamma hydroxybutyrate, is a depressant drug that occurs in the central nervous system and part of the brain called the hippocampus. GHB is a legal drug that acts as a nervous system depressant. It is now legal due to users committing sexual assaults. GHB used to treat sleep disorders and led to feelings of relaxation. GHB goes through short-distance cell-to-cell communication, otherwise known as periserine signaling. During the normal transduction pathway, the ligand GABA, otherwise known as gamma-aminobutyric acid, which also comes from your brain, is an inhibitory neurotransmitter. GABA stops chemical messages from passing from one nerve cell to another nerve cell. When GABA reacts with a receptor of a neuron, it lowers the chance of the neuron making an action. The normal response to GABA has a calming effect due to fewer neurons being fired. In the ligand-gated ion channel, when GABA attaches itself to GABA-A, a semi-permeable ion channel opens, where negatively charged chloride ions can go through the cell membrane. This causes the action potential to be lowered. When GABA is attached, it leads to the activation of the second messenger, which in this case is CAMP, or cyclic AMP. This allows for the activation of GABA-B, a G protein-coupled receptor. During this process, when GABA attaches to that GABA-B receptor, it allows for the flow of positively charged potassium leave the neuron through the cell membrane. When potassium leaves the brain, it allows for the brain to have fewer neurons being fired. The drug GHB will affect this because GHB is a competitive inhibitor, meaning it takes place where GABA is attached. This will cause the chloride ion channels to stay closed in the GABA-A channel. The closing of these channels will lead to the second messenger to not be activated, which is CAMP, or cyclic AMP. When CAMP is not activated, the closing channels of GABA-B will lead to potassium not being able to flow out, and the chance of the organism taking an action will increase because of the amount of potassium in your body will cause your brain to overstimulate. While the normal effect of GABA would be for a person to stay calm, it allows for your brain to relax, it helps you sleep and become less stressed. While GHB will affect this by giving the person feelings of euphoria and improved confidence. Thank you for listening and watching to my project.